Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see git pull and push in Jenkins, how you can do that. So let's get started with today's video. So my first job I have created in my previous video. So let me show you configuration. So here you can see GitHub project URL also is there and advanced. Also you can see name you can pass. And here we will be using source code management, so that will be handling like connecting to Git and fetching the latest pull. So repository URL you need to pass. So credential, so as of now Jenkins only we have, so but we need to add our SSH key in Git as well and in Jenkins as well. So here with every field help is given, so you can check that how to use this. So here SSH username with private key we'll be using, and here global we want an ID. So here later you can see private key. So here we will be entering our SSH private key that will be generating. So now let's go and start generating that. So let me log into my Docker Jenkins container. So here I'm just pasting command to generate SSH key. So here are some files, in which file you want to keep. I'm just pasting it all blank, and here after that you can see it's generated now. So you can cd to that particular directory. Okay, that is a file, so we need to vim or either which one you have, you can do that. So let me see if it's having bi. Okay, bi is not there, so I'll just do the cat. So write cat here, ssh idr is same. So this is private key that it will be there in Jenkins server, and this is your public key. So public key you can access using .pub. So now go to your Bitbucket or GitHub and add your SSH key. Go to settings, SSH and GPG keys. So here you can add new SSH key. So here I'm going to add one more key. So here title you can pass. So I'm just let's say passing Jenkins key, and key I'm just going to copy and paste from there this public key. So now submit. So here you need to write your password for GitHub. So now confirm. So here you can see your key is added. Now in Jenkins, go to manage Jenkins. So here you can go to credentials. So in credentials you can go to global, and after clicking on global you can see add credentials. So you need to add your key here. So choose first SSH username with private key and global I want. So ID, let's say git SSH key I'm adding, and username let's say git only, and enter directly. So here you need to pass your SSH key. So here I'm going to copy. So this is private. So here enter your private key and create. So now let's go to our job, first job, and here now let's connect with Git. So here, so now copy repo URL and paste here, then choose credentials Git. So here no error as of now coming. So let's submit this job configuration. So now let's give build with parameters. So start the build, go to console output. So here you can see there are some errors coming. So here if I'll see console verifying host non file, this doesn't give error. Okay, so master it's taking, but I don't think in my repo I'm having master branch. I'm having main. So let's go and change that in configuration. So go to configuration and yeah, here branch specifier you need to change to main. So now let's give again build, and here console output. So here now you can see git checkout is happening, hello test is coming, and success. So now let me show you workspace in Jenkins server. So here write ls, and we will be able to find var, and after that will be Jenkins home workspace, and here you can find my first job. So in first job you can see test.php, one file that is present in git. So here git status also you can see commit id. So git commands you can use here, whichever git commands you are using normally. So here let me just add one file, let's say git add build log git commit and git push to origin height. So let's say build with parameters build. Okay, so this build failed as path was not specified properly. So let's go to configure once, and we need to add workspace. That anything you are doing, you need to do it in workspace. So here cd to workspace, then let's echo just and then add. So here now give build console output. So here fetching is happening. So now you can see another error came, that is git config. So our names and like email are not added in git config, so we need to add that. So here same command I'm just going to copy. So this is, let's say, my name and email I have added, and last git push origin head. So now let's again give build console output. So now you can say it's a success, and push also you can say it's done. So now let's go to repo and check. So here refresh. So here you can say build a log.txt that is created via Jenkins. So it is committed. So that's how you can get pull and push to a repo. So I have shown you all basic steps that needs to be done for get pull and push. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.